Every serious prepper has at least 3 Baofeng UV-5Rs in their kit. You bought them because they were cheap. You threw them in the bag because comms are important. But let's be honest, most of you still don't know how to program a single channel. Today that changes, because the UV-5R just became the best weapons-mounted light you'll ever own. What you're looking at is the all-new Corky QRP Tac Rail UV-5R Picatinny mount. Designed in California, made in California, using the best PLA filament James from Corky QRP could get his hands on. It's a precision 3D printed adapter that lets you attach any Baofeng UV-5R directly to your firearm's Picatinny rail, using the radio's own integrated 1-watt LED as a fully functional weapons light. No extra batteries, no extra bulk, no new light to buy, just the radio you already own, now mounted where it actually matters. Let's talk about that elephant in the bug-out bag. You bought the UV-5R because it's the radio that every prepper recommends. You got it sitting right next to your plate carrier. But if the grid goes down tomorrow, you'll still be fumbling with the menu trying to remember how to turn on the repeater's offset. Meanwhile, that little light on the side, most people never use it. The Tac Rail changes that. It takes that one feature you already know how to use, that flashlight button, and turns it into a legitimate tactical tool. The mount is 3D printed in the highest quality PLA filament currently available to James at Corky QRP. It clamps directly on any standard Picatinny rail in under 6 seconds, no tools required. This version is optimized for right-handed shooters. The antenna clears your optic, the PTT button stays accessible, and the integrated light now functions exactly like a $400 weapons light. The light is bright enough for positive identification out to 25 to 30 yards indoors and 15 to 20 yards outdoors. That's more than enough for home defense or vehicle interdiction in a SHTF scenario. And because it's the radio you already carry, you're not adding another 8 ounces to your rifle. You're just repurposing gear you already own. A left-handed version is already in design, and yes, we will be releasing versions for other popular cheap Chinese HTs in the coming weeks. For the prepper who already has 6 Baofengs but still can't figure out how to scan frequencies, this is the product you've been waiting for. Now your radio finally pulls its weight. Home defense, mounted light, no extra gear. Vehicle kit, one less thing rolling around on the floor. Bug-out bag rifle. Your comms and your illumination are now the same piece of equipment. You don't need to learn new radio programming. You don't need to buy another $300 light. You just need the mount you should have already bought. The Corky QRP Tac Rail UV-5R Picatinny mount is available right now for $49.99. Link is in the description. Important legal disclaimer. This product is designed and made in California, but it may not be California compliant. Always follow all federal, state, and local gun laws. Seek the guidance of a local attorney before use. Corky QRP assumes no liability for misuse or improper installation.